Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 9882 pocket door edge pull. This piece of hardware is used generally for those doors that are called pocket doors to get the door pulled out of the pocket. Mortised into the edge of the door, so when the door is inside of the pocket or inside the wall, really all that you're seeing presented to you from the edge of the door is just this piece of hardware, where of course you're just going to sneak your finger underneath here, get that pulled out so that you can pull the door out of the pocket. Nice attractive piece of hardware, very typical, very common item, and let's get the dimensions of it going here. There is a link below this video to the template which shows everything important dimensionally about the item, but more so just in the sense of how you machine it, or what you should be machining it to, or machining the door. So they're saying that you're going to want a 3 7/8 mortise height, and you know, technically this item is going to be marginally larger than the mortise size. So if they were saying 3 7/8, this is going to be a 32nd heavy on that, and that's by design. So 3/4 width, ever so slightly wider than that. And that's because when you fit this into the edge of the door, it's a wood door, we're saying, it will give you a very nice tight margin around the preparation, okay? So that there's a all but no seam between the actual edge of the door and the hardware itself. Prepping for this is going to be a two-step process with a router, which is my preferred tool when prepping for hardware and wood doors. And if you're going to use a chisel, then if you have one, I suppose. But if you've got more than one, maybe just set up a template. The results with the router are so much better. You've got two steps. You've got a plate, and then you've got a body. The body, you can see, is that large rectangular deep cutout that they're referring to there on the right-hand side. Okay, a 1 in 23/32 depth of the body. You've got an overall height mortise of 3 inch, and that's basically going to give you this imaginary area around the unit. A mortise width, how wide to make the preparation. You know, by interpreting the template, they're saying make it the same dimension. I would be tempted to make it ever so slightly less, because you've got a small amount of margin around the backside of the hardware. However, probably nice to have a little bit. No, I would probably make it smaller, even though the template does not call for that. Then you've got a plate dimension. So you've got your body. You'd probably do that first. That's what I would like to do first. And then you've got your plate, and the plate is 1/8 of an inch thick. And then, of course, your width and your height. Before you go mortising for this, check the height of any other doors that are in the area. You don't want to have locks all at a specific height and then have their edge pull at a very unusual height as well. And certainly make this, you know, somewhat compatible with any sort of face hardware that you would have on, you know, flush pulls that you might have on the edge of on the face of the door as well. Shown to you in the satin chrome finish, which is a very common color, of course. 2 screws are included. Look like about a number 6 by 3/4 flathead screw. And nice quality item by Hager. Typical for residential applications primarily. If you have any questions on the Hager 9882 pocket door edge pull in satin chrome finish, or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.